Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What are the chances of no fetal heartbeat? In 15 to 20% cases out of 100 pregnancies, the fetal heartbeat is not detected within 6 weeks of internal sonography. The situation can be very depressing because couples who have conceived but there's no fetal heartbeat, such couples begin to panic as they generally interpret it as a pregnancy loss. What are the chances of a miscarriage at 12 weeks? Since the majority of miscarriages occur within the first 12 weeks of gestation, the risk of pregnancy loss after 12 weeks drops dramatically, to between 3% and 4%. After 20 weeks, the risk is roughly 1 in 160, or 0.6%.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.